Hands are easy to draw, said no beginner ever. But don't worry, we all suck in the beginning. But just like many other skills, drawing hands can become fun indeed, if you can master them. So in this video, I'm gonna go over the most common mistakes to avoid and give you some tips to improve. Hey guys, this is the Saigamiproject and my name is Andrea Otilia Vörös, aka Sunny. I'm the creator of the manga series Saigami, published and serialized in Saturday AM, the bi-weekly manga anthology. All links in the description, including our Kickstarter campaign, so please check them out after this video. So, you wanna draw hands? Let me tell you something. If you learn it the right way, it's not that hard. Really, trust me. I'm no engineer, but I spent over a decade to master this skill. So if you wanna learn it faster, here are my tips for you on do's and don'ts. Number 1. Hide the hands. Can't draw hands? Hide them. It's okay to have your character walk around with his or her hands hidden all the time, even if it totally doesn't fit their personality. Really, it's okay to go the easy way a few times, but ultimately, you will have to face your nemesis and draw those damn hands. It will only hurt a little, I promise. But in exchange, you will learn in the process, and hand gestures will grant more personality to your characters, and they can be very useful when it comes to bringing depth and life into your pages. No pain, no gain. Number 2. Messing up the joints. This comes from the lack of proper anatomy basics and not being aware how your hand is supposed to work. This can lead to alienated fingers, bending in all sorts of messed up ways and directions, as if the character was pulling a deku, breaking fingers all the times. Normally, humans have 3 joints in each finger, allowing the fingers to bend in the direction of the palm. It can help you if you mark the joints in your undersketch, but first and foremost, this is something you need to learn and memorize. There's just no way around it. Sorry. Number 3. Not using references. I'll be honest, this is the stupidest mistake one can ever make. Just think about it. There are always hands around you. I mean, you always have hands on you. No, not like that. But you have 2 hands. Use them. Please. Look at your own hands. Take photos of the pose or gestures you want to draw. That's the fastest and easiest way to learn hand anatomy. And the more you do it, the more it will be part of your muscle memory. You can even go through your favorite manga and comic volumes and draw studies from them. It's a great practice. And most importantly, drawing from life and with references will also help you prevent stiffness and unnatural feeling poses. That's one of the most common rookie mistakes ever. So, please, use your hands, not just for drawing, but also to see what you are drawing. It's easy, I promise, really. Number 4. Messing up the details. Realistic hands have a shitloads of details. Wrinkles, lines, nails, veins, hair, you name it. In manga and comics, you need to come up with a simplified version. Something that's more stylized and easier to draw. However, there are details that I recommend to keep, as you can use them to your advantages. Joints, bumps, a few major lines, and most importantly, the fingernails. For a long time, I didn't draw nails or did them wrong. But once I did more studies and learned more from them, I realized that doing the nails in the right angle and shape will help you tremendously when it comes to drawing hands in various angles and poses. Of course, if you have characters wearing gloves, that's tough luck, but nevertheless, even with accessories like gloves, rings, jewelry, bandages, you name it, you need to make sure you're following the shape of the hand, giving it a mess, a 3D feeling. Always remember that even if you have things on the hand, it will have to follow the angle, the shape, and the curves. Number 5. The lack of shading. I know, it's kinda depending on the style, different artists use different shading methods, and there's a big variety on how much shading people use. But, keep in mind that sometimes a tiny bit of shading can mean a huge difference. I personally like to use lines for shading. As you can see, I often mark the joints with a few shaded lines. This helps also in marking the direction of the movement and gives a certain depth and texture to the hand. Number 6. Working in layers. It's a common beginner mistake that people go for the details right off the bat, and that's a surefire way to mess up the proportions. Learn to draw in layers, especially when it comes to drawing complex things like hands. Break it down to simple shapes first. When I draw hands, first I just draw a simple box, marking the shape of the palm, and then I mark the fingers and the thumb, both with blocks. I don't even pay attention to the small details at first, just making sure the base is correct. Kinda like how sculpture, it's a hard word, sculpture covers first create blocks and then carve the details afterwards. Number 7. Underestimating the importance of hands. It's kinda like how it goes with the backgrounds. Rookies are often frightened by the challenges of drawing hands, so they just try to get over them somehow. However, when you are drawing characters, hands are one of your strongest weapons to tell a story in a single picture. I dare to say that hand gestures are almost on the level of facial expressions. Body language is a very important part of character creation and storytelling, so you better brace yourself for the fight and take on those hands. I recommend you go through your favorite comics and check out the hand gestures of different characters to truly appreciate the art of telling stories with drawings only. Hands will also help you giving more dynamics and perspective and depth to your drawings, but that is a topic for another video. So, I hope you find this video handy. Sorry. And you know what? I'm gonna do a challenge. I'm gonna do a hands drawing video and we'll draw as many hands, as many likes this video will get in, let's say, a month. Will it be a drawing 20 hands? 50? 100? 200? Even more? It's all up to you. I'm totally gonna do it. Probably will regret it, but I'm so willing to do it. It's all up to you. So, the challenge is on, and if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be alerted if I upload any new videos or content on the community page. Also in the video description you can find all links to my other social media. I'm most active on Instagram, Saturday AM, free chapters to my manga series Saigami, and our Kickstarter campaign when you can get cool prizes starting from books, prints, commission, or even a massive promotion package targeting over 200,000 active followers and more. Huge thanks for everyone who already backed the Kickstarter or supported me on Saturday AM by getting my books or subscribing to the magazine. Special thanks to my awesome supporters on Patreon, and thank you for checking out this video. Until next time, I'll see you soon. And don't forget, the challenge is on. I'm gonna draw those hands. As many likes. It's all up to you.